Okay, hello guys. I'm Aiden, and yeah, obviously you guys will definitely recognize me. I didn't update you guys for a couple of weeks if I'm not wrong. So yeah, over the couple of days I've been studying also. So I studied like 1 hour like that. At the time I was just reading stuff, didn't get to memorize stuff cause I don't really study a lot when the exam is not coming yet. But I can tell you that the exams are coming. Just that I don't want to I just need to get some warm up first, and I actually kind of had a lot of stuff recently. I have my N levels oral and mostly a lot of things in a nutshell, and I didn't prepare my things properly, and I was also doing quite a lot of things as nowadays I have like quite a lot of stuff. So I just gonna tell you guys about the timeline. Before that I will be completely honest, and but yeah, this will be my honest, kind of like a video that I'll just explain a lot of things. So this is like 1 week before the prelims are. So you guys know what is a prelim? Prelim is a kind of like a mock version of the legit N levels are. So what I actually want to tell you guys that I'm quite sorry that I actually underestimated of what I need to study. So today I taught physics and chemistry. If you guys don't know what is these two subjects, basically it's science. Once I entered sec 3 in secondary school, my science was split into two subjects, which is physics and chemistry. So apparently uh these two subjects have their own topics need to be studied, and I count the topics that we need to study. I thought it wasn't a lot, but surprisingly today I found that I need to study 13 topics for each subject. That means 13 times 2, okay, is 26 topics. That's legit a lot, and some of them have a lot of things need to memorize. But I will try my best to overcome it. As I said, I'm being honest now. I'm really sorry that I'm actually just really underestimating things. So I wish I could actually, instead of studying, to be honest, I wish I could just make more videos. I just like to make videos, to be honest. I don't find the interest in studying, but as I said, studying actually I just want to tell you guys that you guys should always remember this. Studying is actually useless, but education is more important, because without education we are really screwed. I just want to tell you guys that before you start studying or doing anything, I just want to tell you guys that find your passion and just do what you want, and find what are the requirements. Because sometimes what's the point of studying and getting a lot of A's when you don't know what to do, right? You're just blindly studying. So I just want to tell you guys that seriously find your own goal and work towards it. If you really like to be a professional gamer, then go ahead. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, so I just this that's the thing. So I really underestimated the topics that I need to study for both physics and chemistry. I also have this subject called computer application. This one is, the theory is just, it's just it's just gonna kill me. The theory is like, holy shit, man. It's like a lot of topics, so I really underestimated. I forgot studying a lot of stuff as I was focusing on other things, because like 1 or 2 weeks ago I had oral for my freaking N levels, and then I have prelim for my Chinese, and my Chinese I have to like memorize like almost 400 words, literally 400 words. It's just gonna kill me. So I will try my best to overcome this situation. I'm just gonna give you guys an update, and just cause I haven't even tell you guys in a while, so I really underestimated my study. I'm sorry that I seriously underestimated. Yeah, I did. After this time, as I said, I'll be honest, I did play some games, cause I really tired of studying. As you guys know that for most of my friends and my classmates, I'm those guys that studied a lot. I'm like those nerds that study seriously a lot. So I have been studying a lot in my entire life. So I really need a break, because I rarely even touch on games and can't really do a lot of things. I cannot do the things that I really want to do. So it's just sad, man. Like, so I really need your help. So what you guys can help is that if you see this video, please click the subscribe button, and therefore once I reach 1k I can start monetization, and also to earn money so I can actually make more videos in the future. So that's the thing. This video will be unedited cause I really need to study soon. I'm really sorry that I really underestimated the topics that I really need to study. I really underestimated a lot of things. I really studied a lot in my entire life. I really need a break. I can't really do the things that I really want to do now. So I just want to tell you guys that please subscribe. Please once I reach 1k I can able to earn money. Just keep supporting this channel and we will hang on today. Hang on. I will not give up on my studies. As I said, I will not give up because it's already been done that I really underestimated my studies, so I can't do a lot of things really. The only thing is that I really just gonna deal with it. So I will deal with my studies, and I just want to ask you that just please subscribe. That's the thing. So I hope you guys actually enjoy this kind of video. As I said, I'm actually completely honest. I'm really sorry that I really underestimated a lot of things. So I will see you guys, I think so, after 8th of October, because it's seriously a lot of things now. I bet I won't be making any thread out videos or nerf videos, as the exams are just gonna kill me instead. Because it's really a lot of things. I just want to tell you guys that you guys should always remember that you guys need to find your passion. It's not about studying. Actually, in this world is not really about studying anymore, because you really need to find your own passion. You need to find what you really like before studying and just revising your homework. All these things, you really need to find your own passion. If you can't find your own passion, then what's the point of studying? Because I can tell you that I can get all A's, but if I'm just gonna get all A's and I don't know what I'm gonna do in the future, I will just be a lost person and just don't know what I do, and I'll probably ended up in the job that I don't want to do, and I'll be pissed off every day because I seriously want to continue this YouTube journey. I really made a lot of mistakes right now, so I'm actually being honest. So I just want you guys that please subscribe. If you guys can get me up to 1k, I will actually be re- I will make another video. And yes, but obviously I will not give up on my studies. I will still pull through this hard time. So I hope you guys actually enjoy, and see you guys at around 8th of October.